So we talked a little bit about the legs, so we're going to take this into some throwing. Well, not really throwing, some throwing motions. Don't go throwing balls in the house, your parents are going to get pissed at you. So I've got a tennis ball right over here, and all we're really going to do today is focus on just what the hands are doing with the separation, how to create tension, and how to call it follow through. And that goes through for most sports, just in general. It's not really the throwing motion that we're concerned about, it's kind of how these two hands work together and interact to create tension down that line. And that's most useful for baseball, obviously, tennis for your serve, for your stroke, hockey, soccer, everything, because everything kind of falls in these same lines and these same patterns. But let's get right to it. So I'm gonna go this way. So the camera's right over here, it's just for right now. And all I'm gonna do with this hand is I'm gonna bring it up into about a 90-degree angle, just like this. And I'm gonna do the same with the left, just like that. So I'm gonna go from here to here, and then back from here to here. That's all you're gonna do. Get used to this, and then as you're going, you can see I'm rotating around. So the ball's actually, if I go this way, the ball's facing towards the camera. My knuckles are facing in towards each other. And this is important because this is how we kind of create that line. If you kind of do it like this is just throwing your arms out. This is creating tension, and you'll be able to feel the difference as soon as you do it. So that's step number one. We're gonna separate and go from here. Now, step number two is what you do after. Separate and follow through, all the way through there. And I don't really care what you do with the ball arm, I care what you do with this arm and through here. And watch what happens. And from there, if I want my legs to look a lot more natural, but we're just doing upper body for right now. So what actually is happening is this does the exact opposite of this. So if this hand goes this way, this hand goes this way. If this hand goes up, this hand goes down. If this hand goes down, this hand goes up. So for those of you that are working on your serves, that toss that goes from here, your back arm will be down to keep that tension in that line. If they both go up like this, there's no tension. This is tension, right? And same thing here. This is tension, this is tension, this is tension, this is tension, all the way around. So by the time this arm gets here, this arm should be back here. And you'll notice my palm is facing away from the camera like that, while this palm is facing towards the camera just like this, right? Going back and forth like this. So here to there, right? Try that out. See if you can do that against the wall, or even better, if you're gonna use your legs, use your legs. I'll have another video on that soon.